Food processors take away the hassle from slicing, shredding, mincing, dicing, and more. Let's take a look at the best food processors out there in the market, chosen from an ocean knead KFP0711CU. This one's got a high, low, and pulse speed option that allows you to precisely and properly handle soft or hard ingredients with the touch of a button. The 2-in-1 feed tube lets you either use large or narrow openings during continuous slicing or shredding, depending on the size of the ingredients. Food Pushers helps you guide ingredients into the disc, and the ultra-tight seal features a specially designed locking system with leak-resistant rings that allow you to fill the work bowl to the capacity with ingredients without making a mess. We took great care in preparing this list of the best food processors in the market. Like if you think the efforts are paid off, and sound off in the comments to let us know